Hey guys, have you tried installing the latest Windows 11 update, KB5067036, only to hit a wall with error 0x800f0983? Or maybe you got it installed, but now your task manager won't close and is haunting your background like a ghost process? Sound familiar? Well, don't worry, you're not alone. In this video, I'll show you how to install the update safely, how to fix those bugs, and how to protect your files before you do anything risky. Let's dive in. KB5067036 is an optional non-security update for Windows 1125 H2 and 24 H2 that brings a range of improvements. This update includes a redesigned start menu, better taskbar performance, color battery icons, and enhancements to File Explorer. It also officially enables the admin protection feature to boost security. But because it's a preview update, it also comes with its fair share of headaches. Before you click that install button, stop for a second. Windows preview builds can be unpredictable, so it's always smart to back up your system first. You can use 4DDiG Partition Manager to clone your system or back up partitions in just a few clicks. If something goes wrong mid-update, you'll have a full backup ready to roll back instantly. It's your safety net before the storm. Part 3, how to download and install KB5067036. Since this update is optional and will not be downloaded and installed automatically, you can use these two methods to install it securely. First, head to the Windows Update section in Settings. If you don't see the update right away, don't panic. It's optional, so you might need to manually check for it. Click on Check for updates. If it's available, you'll see KB5067036 listed as an optional update. Click Download and Install and wait. If that fails, or you get error 0x800f0983, go to the Microsoft Update Catalog. Search for KB5067036 and download the correct file for your system, usually x64. Double-click the .msu file and let Windows handle the rest. Done correctly, it should install smoothly most of the time. Now, let's talk about the most annoying part of KB5067036, the Task Manager button. After this update, closing Task Manager doesn't actually close it. Each time you hit the X button, a new task exe process stays alive in the background, quietly eating your memory. One or two won't hurt, but if you open Task Manager a lot during the day, you could end up with 5, 6, or even more ghost processes, each using 15 to 20 MB of RAM. Add them up, and your PC starts slowing down for no reason. Here's the quick fix. Press Ctrl + Shift + S to open Task Manager. Scroll down, and if you see more than one Task Manager process, right-click each duplicate and choose End Task. Until Microsoft releases an official fix, this is the best workaround to stop it from hogging your RAM and hurting performance. So that's all for today. Remember to back up before you update. If you ran into error 0x800f0983 or that ghost Task Manager, drop a comment below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and see you next time.